In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam emails on Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. If your inbox keeps getting cluttered with unwanted messages, this quick process will help you block those senders so their emails stop reaching your inbox. You can do this on any modern web browser. First, open your browser, go to the Outlook website, and sign into your account. If you're not sure of the address, simply search for Microsoft Outlook, click the official link, and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on your inbox. Find one of the messages from the sender you want to block. You don't need to open it. Instead, move your mouse over that email and right-click it. On a touch device, a long press works the same way. This brings up a context menu with quick actions so you don't have to dig through settings. In that menu, look for the option labeled Block and click it. Choosing Block tells Outlook that you never want messages from that sender to reach your inbox again. It's stronger than simply marking a message as junk because it adds the sender to your blocked list, helping future emails from the same address bypass your inbox automatically. After you click Block, Outlook will show a confirmation prompt. Here, select Block Sender. This step confirms that you really want to prevent emails from that address from showing up in your inbox going forward. It also typically moves the selected message to your junk email folder, helping clean things up right away. To finalize the action, click OK. That's it. The sender is now blocked and their future messages should be routed away from your inbox. If you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment. Filters can take a short time to apply. You can continue to use the same method for any other spam message that sneaks in. It's quick, consistent, and keeps your inbox tidy with just a couple of clicks. A few quick tips to keep in mind: if you accidentally block the wrong sender, look for the small undo banner that sometimes appears right after you confirm, or later on you can manage your blocked senders list in Outlook settings. Also, be cautious with suspicious emails. Avoid clicking links or downloading attachments before you block them. And if a new spam address appears, repeat this same process. Blocking works on a per sender basis. That's the fast way to block spam emails in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, calmer inbox.